This is a tutorial on how to back up a form in RSForm Pro from one website and to restore it to another website. So what we're doing is we're basically taking a copy of a form and we're going to move it to a different website and restore it. So to get started, let's go to Components and we're going to go to RSForm Pro. And we're going to go to Backup and Restore. And here is my form I would like to back up. And I'm going to say, yes, I do want to include the submissions. And I'm not going to give it a unique file name. I'll just go with the default. And I'm going to generate a backup file. It takes a few seconds. And it's going to pop over here, and I'm going to save my file. Now I'm going to go to a different site, and I'm going to restore this form. So under Components in RSForm Pro, Manage or Backup and Restore Forms, I'm going to click on the Restore tab, and I'm going to browse over here to my, my Downloads folder, and here's my backup. I'm going to click on that, and override existing forms. If you do that, it will delete all the other forms on your website, so probably not a good idea. And keep IDs from backup. I don't do that either in case there is already a form out there with the same ID number. And I'm going to click on Restore. It'll take a few seconds. And I'm going to go to Manage Forms, and here's my form example. Thank you.